Ever wondered how AI can transform the way we think about creativity and problem solving? Welcome to a journey where cutting-edge technology meets human ingenuity. In today's video, we're diving into the world of open-source AI autonomous agent projects. From AutoGEN's collaborative LLMs, revolutionizing application development to CrewAI's symphony of AI agents, we're exploring how these projects are paving the way for a future where AI extends beyond imagination. Stay tuned as we unveil how these technologies are not just enhancing efficiencies, but also creating a new era of collaboration and innovation. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Project number 1. AutoGEN. AutoGEN by Microsoft is like assembling your dream team, but in the realm of AI. Imagine creating an app where AI agents, each with its unique talent, work together seamlessly. Some agents might be geniuses in creative writing, while others are fact-checkers or language translators. Even human experts can join the conversation, adding a touch of real-world wisdom. Here's where AutoGEN shines. It creates a chat-like space where these diverse agents can exchange ideas, delegate tasks, and collaboratively bring a project to life. It's like having a group chat, but instead of friends, it's a mix of AI and humans brainstorming together. Whether it's crafting a story, translating content across languages, or piecing together research, AutoGEN manages the workflow, making sure everyone contributes their part efficiently. The beauty of AutoGEN lies in its flexibility and efficiency. Breaks the mold by allowing a mix of AI and human intelligence to merge, leading to innovative solutions and creativity. Plus, the framework handles the heavy lifting, from managing conversations to task allocation, freeing you to focus on the bigger picture. While AutoGEN opens doors to unparalleled collaboration, it does come with its challenges. Orchestrating a team of diverse agents requires thoughtful setup and management. Plus, there's a learning curve in mastering this unique blend of AI-human interaction. And, as it's a cutting-edge project, you might encounter areas still under development or in need of community feedback. In essence, AutoGEN is not just about AI, it's about creating a symphony of intelligence where each participant, AI or human, plays a crucial role. It's a glimpse into a future where technology enhances our creative and problem-solving capabilities, making the impossible possible. Whether you're a developer, a creative professional, or just someone fascinated by AI's potential, AutoGEN invites you to explore the new frontier of collaborative intelligence. Project number 2. CrewAI. CrewAI is like the conductor of an orchestra, but for AI agents. Picture yourself orchestrating a group of AI specialists, each playing a unique role in solving complex tasks. Some agents might excel in deep research, others in crafting stories, while another set analyzes data like a pro. CrewAI is the maestro, ensuring all these talents work in harmony, efficiently exchanging information and dividing tasks to achieve a common goal. It's collaborative intelligence at its finest, blending various AI strengths to address challenges that single-agent systems might find daunting. One of the standout features of CrewAI is its capacity for tackling intricate problems by leveraging the collective capabilities of diverse AI agents. Imagine a project where one agent gathers information, another distills it into insights, and a third turns those insights into actionable plans or creative outputs, all under the guidance of CrewAI. Not just limited to AI interactions, CrewAI is designed with the flexibility to include human input, allowing you to step in as a guide, refining outputs, or steering the team with your expertise. This melding of AI and human intelligence can significantly enhance project outcomes, offering nuanced solutions that purely AI-driven approaches might miss. CrewAI represents a leap towards more dynamic and versatile problem-solving frameworks, making it a game-changer for industries and projects that demand a multifaceted approach. However, harnessing this power comes with its challenges, including the increased complexity of managing multiple specialized agents and the learning curve associated with mastering such an advanced system. In summary, CrewAI offers a glimpse into a future where collaborative AI teams can tackle complex tasks with unprecedented efficiency and creativity. It's a pioneering platform for anyone looking to explore the limits of collective artificial intelligence, promising a new era of problem-solving and innovation. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a developer looking to streamline processes, or a visionary keen to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, CrewAI beckons with the promise of transforming the way we think about and interact with intelligent systems. Project number 3. Reflexion. Reflexion, developed by Noah Shin, introduces a fresh perspective on AI interaction, pushing the boundaries of how artificial intelligence can learn and evolve through conversation. This project ventures into the domain of verbal reinforcement learning, where AI agents improve their conversational abilities, not just by processing vast datasets, but by understanding and acting on spoken feedback. Picture an AI that becomes more adept at dialogue, refining its responses based on simple cues like, "good job," or "that's not quite right." Much like a human learning from conversation, the promise of Reflexion lies in its potential to create AI that interacts in a more human-like manner, facilitating a more natural and intuitive communication bridge between technology and users. This could revolutionize customer service chatbots, virtual assistants, and educational tools, making them more responsive and adaptable to individual user needs. Additionally, the project could significantly streamline the AI training process, moving away from the traditional labor-intensive method of feeding large text datasets to models towards a more dynamic and interactive learning approach. However, the ambiguous nature of Reflexion brings its own set of challenges. Ensuring the AI accurately interprets and correctly implements verbal feedback is a complex task that requires sophisticated understanding and processing capabilities. Moreover, the project must navigate potential pitfalls related to biases and ethical considerations, ensuring the AI's learning path is guided by constructive and unbiased input. Despite these hurdles, Reflexion stands as a beacon for the future of AI development, offering a glimpse into a world where machines learn not just from data, but from dialogue, evolving through interaction to better serve and understand human needs. As this project continues to develop, it may well redefine our expectations of AI, moving us closer to technology that understands us as well as we understand each other. Project number 4, Xforce AI. Xforce IDE, developed by Xforce AI on GitHub, is a pioneering tool designed for the next generation of artificial intelligence development. It specializes in creating and managing teams of AI agents, dubbed workforces, to collaborate on complex tasks. This innovative tool provides a visual environment where developers can orchestrate the interactions of multiple AI agents, each equipped with specialized capabilities to achieve comprehensive solutions. The heart of Xforce IDE lies in its low-code, drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible for both technical experts and those with limited coding experience. This approach accelerates the development process by allowing you to quickly assemble and configure AI agents to work in harmony towards a common goal. Imagine seamlessly integrating an AI that excels in data analysis with another that specializes in natural language processing, all within a user-friendly platform. This IDE fosters collaboration between different disciplines, bridging the gap between AI specialists and domain experts. For instance, a healthcare professional can work alongside a developer to create an AI workforce that not only gathers medical data but also interprets it in meaningful ways, enhancing patient care through innovative technology solutions. However, the simplicity of Xforce IDE does come with its own set of challenges. While the low-code approach democratizes AI development, it may limit the complexity of tasks that can be achieved compared to more traditional, code-intensive development environments. Furthermore, the tool's novelty means that users may encounter a learning curve as they familiarize themselves with its capabilities and limitations. Despite these considerations, Xforce IDE represents a significant leap forward in AI development tools. It embodies the future of collaborative AI, where diverse teams of intelligent agents work together to solve problems that were once thought to be beyond reach. As the project evolves, Xforce IDE could very well become a cornerstone in the creation of sophisticated AI solutions, making the power of artificial intelligence more accessible and impactful across various sectors. Project number 5, AgentKit. Diving into the AgentKit project by BCG X Official on GitHub, we uncover a groundbreaking framework that simplifies the development of what's termed constrained agents. These AI entities are designed to execute specific tasks within a set framework, akin to building a customer service chatbot that can respond to fax or schedule appointments but is not equipped for broader, open-ended conversations. AgentKit is tailored to streamline the crafting of these focused AI tools, empowering developers with a suite of integrated technologies like Next.js, FastAPI, and LangChain. The charm of AgentKit lies in its rapid development capabilities. With pre-built toolkits at your disposal, the focus shifts from the cumbersome setup of infrastructure to refining the core logic of your agent. This approach not only accelerates the development process but also simplifies it, making AI more accessible to a broader audience. AgentKit also stands out for its emphasis on user experience, offering pre-designed UI components specifically crafted for agent interactions. This includes intuitive chat windows, effective data visualization tools, and clear progress indicators, ensuring a seamless and engaging user interface without the need for extensive customization. However, while AgentKit offers a streamlined path to developing constrained agents, it's important to recognize its limitations. The framework's focus on specific, defined tasks means it might not be the go-to solution for projects requiring complex AI capabilities that learn and adapt autonomously. Additionally, the initial learning curve and dependency on external resources like LangChain for working with LLMs like OpenAI's GPT-3 highlight the need for a certain level of technical proficiency and access to these tools. In summary, AgentKit emerges as a powerful ally for developers and innovators seeking to create focused AI experiences. Its ability to simplify the development process, combined with the provision of a user-friendly interface, positions it as a valuable tool in the AI development landscape. Whether you're aiming to enhance customer service with a smart chatbot or streamline operations through AI, AgentKit offers a robust foundation to bring your vision to life. Project number 6. KwaiAgents. Exploring KwaiAgents by KwaiAgents on GitHub offers a fascinating dive into the world of creating and managing intelligent agents. These AI entities are designed to perform tasks and make decisions within specific environments, whether it be navigating a video game world or making autonomous trades in the stock market. KwaiAgents equips developers with the tools needed to bring such intelligent agents to life, emphasizing the collaboration between multiple AI entities for complex task management. KwaiAgents stands out for its ability to facilitate the development of multi-agent systems where AI entities can work in concert. This opens up possibilities for addressing tasks that require a division of labor among different AI capabilities. For instance, in a real-time strategy game, each agent could manage different aspects of gameplay, creating a cohesive strategy through their collective effort. A key feature of KwaiAgents is its support for integrating agents with diverse environments. This flexibility allows agents to interact with and adapt to various scenarios, from simulated ecosystems to real-world data streams. The toolkit's potential to incorporate reinforcement learning further enhances its appeal, enabling agents to learn and improve through interaction with their environments. However, the complexity of coordinating multiple intelligent agents and the limited information available in the GitHub repository may pose challenges for new users. The learning curve involved in effectively deploying KwaiAgents, coupled with its relative novelty in the development community, requires a commitment to mastering its intricacies. In essence, KwaiAgents offers a powerful framework for those intrigued by the possibilities of multi-agent AI systems. Its ability to foster complex interactions and learning within diverse environments holds promise for a wide range of applications. For developers keen on pushing the boundaries of AI and exploring how intelligent agents can collaborate to solve problems, KwaiAgents presents an exciting avenue for innovation. Project number 7. Qwen-Agent. Delving into Qwen-Agent by Qwen-LM on GitHub unveils an innovative framework designed to harness the power of Alibaba Cloud's large language model, Qwen. This tool facilitates the development of intelligent agents that can comprehend and engage in meaningful dialogues, respond to queries, and execute tasks based on conversational cues. Essentially, Qwen-Agent acts as a conduit, allowing developers to integrate Qwen's advanced AI functionalities into their applications without grappling with the model's complexities. Qwen-Agent stands out for its ability to create versatile AI agents capable of enhancing user interactions across various platforms. Whether it's a browser assistant that simplifies online navigation, or a code interpreter that demystifies programming languages, Qwen-Agent broadens the horizon of what AI can achieve in user engagement and task automation. It offers a glimpse into a future where digital interactions are seamlessly powered by AI, making technology more intuitive and responsive to human needs. However, the framework's reliance on Qwen implies that the effectiveness of applications built with Qwen-Agent is contingent upon the capabilities and performance of the underlying language model. Moreover, as Qwen-Agent is potentially in the early stages of development, it may face evolving documentation and community support challenges. These aspects underscore the importance of staying adaptable and proactive in exploring and contributing to the framework's growth. Qwen-Agent represents a significant step toward democratizing access to sophisticated AI technologies. It offers developers an accessible pathway to integrating cutting-edge language processing capabilities into their applications, promising a future where AI agents can offer more personalized and intelligent interactions. For those intrigued by the potential of AI to transform digital experiences, Qwen-Agent provides a promising platform to innovate and explore the capabilities of large language models in application development. Project number 8, LLMStack, developed by Try Promptly and shared on GitHub, offers a comprehensive toolkit for anyone keen on exploring the vast potential of large language models, LLMs. This innovative project is designed to streamline the integration and utilization of powerful LLMs such as OpenAI's GPT-3 or Google's BERT into various applications, ranging from text generation to language translation and beyond. One of the key advantages of LLMStack is its user-friendly approach to leveraging LLMs. It demystifies the process of incorporating these complex models into your projects by providing a unified interface that simplifies interactions with LLMs. This is a boon for developers, researchers, and hobbyists alike, enabling them to focus more on creativity and application development rather than the intricacies of model integration. LLMStack also stands out for its diversity in functionality. Beyond mere access to LLMs, it equips users with a suite of tools for refining and manipulating model outputs. This includes adjusting the creative style of generated content, ensuring accuracy in translations, or tailoring responses for specific applications. This level of control and customization opens up new possibilities for personalized and nuanced AI interactions. Moreover, as an open-source project, LLMStack benefits from the collaborative efforts of a global developer community. This collective input not only fosters innovation but also ensures continuous improvement of the platform. Users can contribute their enhancements, share insights, and help evolve LLMStack to meet the emerging needs of the AI landscape. However, potential users should be mindful of the costs associated with accessing and using premium LLMs, which can add up, especially for large-scale or commercial projects. Additionally, while LLMStack makes LLM integration more accessible, a foundational understanding of how these models work and their potential limitations remains crucial for effective application. In summary, LLMStack is a gateway to harnessing the power of large language models for a wide array of applications, from creative writing and content generation to complex data analysis and decision-making. It represents a significant leap forward in making advanced AI technologies more accessible, enabling a broader spectrum of users to innovate and create with the latest developments in AI. Whether you're an experienced developer or a curious enthusiast, LLMStack offers the tools and support to dive into the world of LLMs and unlock their full potential. Thanks for diving into the world of AI with us. If you're inspired to explore these open-source projects further, remember, innovation starts with a single click. Dive in, experiment, and who knows, you might just shape the future of AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next adventure.